You're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is there any doubt in the first question? You
No,
need
sir.
to identify which integer is greater. I'll be just
Great.
telling the answer. You can just note down. If there is any correction, you can do that.
Yes,
The
sir.
first one, the greater integer is -5. I'm just encircling that. So better I use the highlighter. I'll just highlight it. So -5 is larger. The second one, 5 is larger. In the third one, 8 is larger. In the fourth one, 0 is larger. In the fifth, 27 is larger. In the sixth, there is -25, which is larger. In the seventh, 0 is larger. In the eighth, -1 is
Minus.
larger. Hope all of you have written the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Right. Second one, in each of the following pairs, state which integer is smaller. We need to identify the smaller one. In this case, I am just changing the color. Here, the smaller one is -4. In the
Minus
second
35.
one, -35. In the third
Minus
one, -51. Very good. In
0.
the fourth, 0. In the
Minus
fifth, -6. In the
12.
sixth, 12.
12.
Minus
In
6.
this,
Minus
-3.
Minus 3.
In this,
minus 1.
-19.
Minus 19.
Yes, sir. You are correct.
So it's very easy. In this question, we need to use the greater than or less than symbol. It's
Yes,
very,
sir.
very clear that 3 is larger than 0.
0.
0 is larger than -8.
Minus 8.
-9 is smaller than
Smaller than
-3.
-3.
In this,
3 is greater.
Minus 3 is
3
smaller
is
than
greater. 3
Minus
is
3
greater.
smaller.
5
5
is greater.
is
greater than
Greater.
-1.
0 is greater.
is greater than -13.
Minus 8 is
Minus
Next
8
greater.
is
one,
greater than
-18
minus
is
18.
smaller. Yeah.
116 is greater
-18 is
than
smaller.
Minus
316.
Minus 306.
5 and 6 is greater.
Now I'll be asking individually. You can
Yes, sir.
tell the answer for the first one. I'll
Yes, sir.
ask this time Prithvi.
Sir,
Prithvi can tell the first answer.
can I say?
Yes, Prithvi.
Sir, first minus 8.
It's a ascending order, right? So smallest should be written first. -8, correct? Next.
Minus 5.
Very good.
Minus 1.
Good.
0.
0,
4, 5. 4.
4 and 5.
And
Very
5.
good.
Yes.
Yes. Alina Mujawar, you can tell the answer for the second one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The smallest is -7. Tell the next one.
Yes, sir. 7, sir.
-6 is the next.
6,
After
sir.
-6, we have -3. Tell fast. 0, 2, 3, and 4. Paras, you can tell the third one.
Tell the
-7, -3,
-7, -3, -1. Then
0, 6,
0.
7, 8.
Yeah, 3 is there, right? 3. 3 is there. 3, 8, and 17. Yes, one more person can just tell. I'll be
shall I tell?
asking.
Sir, shall I tell, sir?
Bonesh, yes,
minus
Bonesh.
10.
Sir,
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Minus 6. Plus 6.
-7 is also there now. -6.
So I told sir. Plus 6. Plus 15. Plus 19.
19.
Plus 19.
Don't
sir.
say plus 19, it's only 19. Whenever we have a positive integer, we don't mention positive, we'll just mention the number.
Yes, sir.
Next one is very easy.
Can I tell, sir?
Can I say?
This time Rohit can tell.
Sir, first one 15,
15.
15, 8,
Hmm.
0,
0.
minus 2,
Minus 2.
minus 3,
Hmm.
minus 5.
Very good. Guru Raj, you will tell the second one.
Sir, can I tell?
Can I tell third one, sir?
Guru Raj is present. Guru Raj.
7, 6, 0, minus 11.
I asked Guru
Can I
Raj
tell
and
Dinesh Rashi?
Guru Raj will tell. Yes, Guru Raj.
Sir, 23,
Yes, fast.
12,
Hmm.
7, 6,
6,
0, minus
0,
7.
minus 11. 6, 0.
I will tell.
Kumari Bharti,
Can I tell?
Sir, I will tell.
Can I tell?
Look, sir.
I'll give
Sir,
chance
I
to
am
each
tell.
one of you. Not to
Can I
worry.
tell
One or
Dinesh
the other
Rashi?
time you will get it. Kumari Bharti.
Sir, 12.
12,
Sir,
11,
12.
5,
Minus 1.
minus 1,
Minus
then
21.
Minus 1.
21,
Minus 21.
minus
And
31.
minus 31.
Okay, good.
Sir, can I say next?
Can I
Punya
tell?
Shlok.
Can I tell, sir?
Punya
Dinesh
Shlok.
Rashi?
Hurry up, yaar.
Sir, I will tell. I am finished, look, sir.
Yes.
6, 4, 0,
98, 98,
Tell, sir.
98,
56.
98, 56,
56,
Minus
plus 4, 0, 99, 45, minus 53, sir.
minus 53.
53.
Okay. All right. Good. So you all have done that. Now we will be starting the exercise 6.1. We have to carefully understand the question and then solve it. Here the question is to write the opposites of the following. There are some sentences given. For those sentences, we need to write the opposites.
The
First
decrease
one
of
is
weight, decrease in weight, sir. The decrease in weight.
sir, opposite is decrease in
The
weight.
decrease in weight.
Answer B. 30 kilometers.
Sir, some students are in the lobby, sir. Please.
30 kilometers.
Some students are in the lobby. I'll admit them.
30
Nobody is
south.
there in the lobby.
South.
Sir, 30 kilometers.
Decrease in weight.
30 kilometers south.
There are only 48 present today and nobody is there in the lobby.
Profit of.
The 30 kilometers south. 30 kilometers south, sir.
Which is the opposite word to north? Is it south?
South.
So you must know this.
Sir, south.
30 kilometers
You
of
must
south.
know this. It is something like this. To east there will be west opposite, north there will be south opposite. So it is 30 kilometers south.
South.
Sir, C,
It is
326
326
AD.
AD. Loss of rupees 700.
700
The
rupees.
opposite will be profit of
700.
rupees 700.
700.
100 meter below the
100
sea
meter
level.
Below
100 meter below the sea level.
below sea level.
Below sea level.
100 meters below
kilo. It's good that I have muted everyone. Now the second question is to represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. They have given some statements here. In these statements, we need to identify the number and we also should write a proper sign along with the number. The first question here is, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above ground. So we need to write plus 500 for mentioning the number. It's positive 500 whenever above is there, we'll mention as positive. Whenever below is there, we'll mention as negative. So here a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level, so minus 800 has to be mentioned. A deposit of rupees 2000. Whenever there is a deposit, we always consider positive 2000. Whenever there is a withdrawal, we'll consider negative, so it is minus 700. Hope all of you have understood. At the end, I'll be asking if there is any doubt. Moving on to the third question, we need to represent these numbers on the number line. So first we have to make the number line. For that, you better use a proper ruler. It's very big ruler. Where do I find? I'm unable to locate its end. No problem. Roughly, we will do it. We will just consider a line. Remember, each time we have to do it properly. There should be equal spacing between them. Otherwise, it is not called as a number line. For a number line, the numbers are to be placed at proper distances. Now I'll be mentioning somewhere here 0. At equal distances, we have to place the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here towards the left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now if I want to mention, say, positive 5 on the number line, this positive 5 is there here. If I mention this as small letter A, this is for the first one. For the next, it has to be extended. The line has to be extended. Here somewhere you will get 8. Here this side, if you extend, you will get minus 6. And further, minus 10. Now this point, I am going to mention it as D, which represents minus 1. The remaining, you can do it on your own. Now, looking at the question 4, adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. First one is, if point D is positive 8, then which point is negative 8? So when positive 8 is point D, down below it will be minus 1, so it becomes 7. So let me mention that this will be 7. This has to be 7. This has to be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and minus 10. Here, negative 8 is there in point F. So the point F represents negative 8. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Look at point G, it is towards downside of 0. So obviously it has to be a negative integer. So it is a negative integer. Now write the integers for point B and point E. Point B is 4 and point E, it represents -10. So one is positive, other is negative. Satvik says that I should allow him to unmute and you want to disturb the class. Satvik has got some problem. It's better to talk to his parents. He doesn't know that all the classes and everything is getting recorded. It's fine. Point D, which point marked on this number line has the least value? Here, the least value is there at point E and -10, that is point E represents the least value. Arrange all the points in descending order. Now I am unmuting you. Harsh will tell the descending order of these letters. Yes, Harsh.
8. Yes, sir, I'm Harsh.
Yes, all the
Can
points you need to say.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
8,
No,
7,
no.
6,
D is the point. D. D is the point.
D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E.
Very good.
Thanks.
Now coming to question 5. It's very lengthy question. Slowly we must go through the question to understand what is given.
Some students are in lobby.
No student is there in the lobby. There are only 49
Gautam
students.
Atotiki. Gautam Atotiki is there. He is messaging to me. You are telling lie. You are not able to serve.
See, I am just continuously watching it. It is not allowing. If somebody enters very late, it will not allow because I have scheduled it. Since there was a disturbance in the class, I need to schedule and I need to restrict certain things. So in that case, it's not possible. So be in time. It is good for you.
He is messaging like you are telling lie. You not told to serve, sir. That's only I told.
Don't worry. Let him understand by looking at the video. Not to worry about that. The same video will be uploaded in the YouTube. Let him see that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at question 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. The place temperatures are mentioned in this. Siachen is 10 degree Celsius below zero. So what does it mean? It means that it has to be a negative integer. It has to be a negative integer. So it is -10 degree Celsius. Shimla is 2 degrees Celsius below zero. It means
Minus
that it
2.
is
Minus
negative
2
2
degrees
degrees
Celsius, sir.
Celsius. Ahmedabad is 30 degrees Celsius above zero.
30 degrees
So it has
Celsius.
to be
30 degrees Celsius.
30 degrees Celsius. So when I write only 30 degrees Celsius, it means that it is a positive integer.
Positivity.
Same is the case with
20 degrees
20 degrees
Celsius.
20
Celsius.
degrees Celsius.
But
Minus 5 degrees
Srinagar it is
Celsius.
minus 5
Minus
degrees
5
Celsius.
degrees.
Yes. Now we shall
Minus 5
answer
degrees
this.
Celsius.
First one, write the temperatures and the places in the blank. That is done. The second one, following is the number line representing the temperatures in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against this temperature. So minus 10 degrees Celsius. We need to mention here which city
Sir,
it is. Siachen.
Siachen.
Now minus 2 degree. Where is that minus 2 degree?
Not
After 0, smaller 2 lines. The second line after 0. This is Shimla. 30 degrees Celsius. Yes.
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad and Delhi. And
Delhi is 20
23
degrees
is
Celsius.
Delhi 20 degrees Celsius.
Delhi.
Then we have
Srinagar minus 5 degrees.
minus 5 degrees Celsius. Is Srinagar. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. Above 10 degrees Celsius, which are the places?
Ahmedabad and Delhi. Ahmedabad and Delhi.
Delhi and Ahmedabad.
Delhi and Ahmedabad.
The coolest place?
Sir,
Siachen
yeah.
is the coolest place.
Siachen, sir.
Okay. Okay then.
Siachen.
Let's look at question 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? We have to just think of the number line. We have learned that every positive integer will be towards positive side of 0, towards right side of 0. And also we have learned that when we move towards the right side, the number value increases. So here I'll be just highlighting which number is towards the right. Here, when I consider 2 and 9, 9 will be towards the right.
and 6.
How about minus 3 and minus 8? Which one will be towards the right?
Minus 11.
Minus 3 will be towards the right
Minus
side.
3.
When the numbers are minus 3 and minus 8, don't add them and tell the answer as minus 11.
Zero.
0 will be towards the right side.
Zero.
Zero.
And
Next
10.
is
10.
10 will be there towards the right side.
Six.
Positive 6 will be towards the right side. 1 will be towards right side.
One, sir.
It is that easy.
One.
All the integers will be zero states.
Question 7 is slightly different. In question 7, we have to write the integers between the pairs. 0 and minus 7, between them there are few integers. We need to mention that. So when I consider 0 and
Minus 6.
I have to write in this way. Minus 7 will be smaller
Minus
now.
7.
Hmm.
Minus
Minus
6.
6,
Minus 5. Minus 4.
minus
Minus 3.
5,
Minus 2. Minus 1.
Minus 4.
Minus
minus
0.
Minus
4,
3.
minus
Minus
3,
2. Minus
minus
1.
2, minus 1,
Zero.
and 0.
That's 0.
Zero.
Now,
Minus
between
6.
this minus 7 and 0, we
And
have
minus
listed the
0. Zero,
integers.
sir. Only zero.
The same thing should be done in all the 4 cases. I'll be just telling the fourth one. The fourth one,
Minus 10.
Minus 20.
minus 30 is the smallest, minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24, then we have minus 23. This is how we are going to arrange and write the integers between two integers. Question 8 is to write 4 negative integers which are greater than minus 20. If I consider minus 19, it will be greater than minus 20. If I consider minus 10 is also greater than minus 20, 0 is greater than minus 20, 1 is greater than minus 20. These are the 4. You can write any like this. B. Write 4 negative integers. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. I did not See the complete question, we have to write the negative integers only. So minus 5, which is greater than minus 20, minus 1 greater than minus 20. Next question is also on the similar lines, 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Less than, so minus 11 is less than minus 10, minus 12 is less than minus 10, minus 13 is less than minus 10, minus 15 is less than minus 10. In this way, we can write many integers. Now this question is related to true or false. Carefully go through the sentences. Now what is the answer for the first one? Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Is it a true statement?
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, it is true.
True, sir.
Our
True, sir.
Yes, sir. It is true.
our friend
Sir,
Nitin
first
says it
is
is
true and
false.
another all are false.
Nitin says first one is false. Is it Nitin?
Sir, first one is
Sir,
First
first one is true. And
first one is true, all are false. Remaining are false.
First one is true, sir. Minus 100 is to
True.
the
sir,
right.
second one is false.
False.
Sir,
False, sir.
sir.
Third one true, sir.
For the third one, the smallest negative integer is minus 1. Actually, this is a largest negative integer. This is false. You must remember this. Minus 1 is largest negative integer. This is a note for you. You must remember this. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. This is false. Minus 26 is smaller compared to minus 25. Now the question number 10. You need to draw the number line and answer the following questions. The first question is, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? If I just consider roughly, it's in rough, I am just writing it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. We have to just locate minus 2. From here, we need to move 4 numbers towards right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers towards right. We'll be reaching positive 2. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? From 1 we need to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So we'll be reaching minus 4. Like this, for these two, I hope you will do it. It is not that difficult. Now I'll take a few questions from exercise 6.2 for today. Using number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. As I suggested you, first you draw the number line. I'll just tell how to do one of them. We need to draw number line. If the question is 5 more than minus 5, I need to consider some more numbers here, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Locate this, minus 5, From -5, you need to go towards right because it is more. When it is more, we will go forward to the right side. When it is less, we will move towards the left side. Here we have 3 steps, here we have 4 steps, here we have 5 steps. So we are going to get 0 here. 2 less than 6. If you do in this process, you will come to know that it will be at -4, and 3 less than -2 will be at -5. 3 more than 5 will be at 8. You please try this. Again, it is a question related to number line. I said when addition is there and addition of positive integer is there, we will move towards the right side. Addition of negative integer is there, we move towards the left side. Here, as an example, I would like to tell question E. Since all are negative numbers here, I am taking very less number of positive integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -1 first we need to look at. This is -1. Then there is an addition of -2. So when negative integer is there, we move towards the left side, 1, 2. So we are going to get -3. From -3, we have to go further 3 steps towards the left since it is a negative integer. 1, 2, 3, and we get the answer as -6. In some cases where there is a combination, something like question F, first we have to look at -8, then we have to move right side, not the left side, move right side 8 steps, you will get the number as 6. From there, you have to move towards the left 4 steps. We are going to get the answer as 2. You can try it out. So the remaining questions also, I hope you will try. As an exam, sir, as an homework, I would like to give this question, question number 3. You can note down. If you don't have the textbook, please note down this third question. Without using the number line, you have to do. In the class, I mentioned that when addition of like and unlike integers are there, we follow different steps. When like means both positive or both negative is there, we are going to do addition. For unlike, when positive and negative integers are there, we are going to do subtraction. We will find the difference. After finding the difference, we are going to take the sign of the larger number. In this case, in like integers, we are going to take the same sign. Here, unlike integers are there, the difference has to be found. The difference for the first one will be 4. So the remaining you can try. I'll be giving you the answer in the next class. Along with that, you can also try this fourth question. For this question also, I'll give the answer in the next class. Now I am unmuting you. If you have doubt, one by one you can ask.
No, sir, we have any doubt? No, anyone doubt?
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
If you have doubt, then only you
Sir,
ask.
no doubt.
No
No,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
If you ask doubt,
Satvik, Satvik, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
You said that you unmute me, you want to disturb the class. What's the problem? Satvik, please ask your father to talk to me. Satvik Shaurya. Okay, then I am ending the today's session. We shall discuss the remaining part of integers in the next class. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.